What is Docker? Today, we'll demystify one of the most powerful tools in modern software development. So what exactly is Docker? In simple terms, it's a platform that allows you to develop, deploy, and run applications in isolated environments called containers. Have you ever heard a developer say, "It works on my machine, but then it breaks on someone else's"? Docker solves this classic problem. The core concept behind Docker is containers. Think of them as lightweight, standalone, executable packages that include everything needed to run an application. Let's dive into how Docker actually works to achieve this magic. First, we have Docker images. These are read-only templates with instructions for creating a container, essentially the blueprints for your applications. Then there are Docker containers, which are runnable instances of an image. Each container runs in isolation, ensuring consistency across different environments. The Docker engine is the client-server application that manages Docker images and containers. It's the core component that makes everything run. Now, let's explore the key benefits that make Docker so popular among developers and operations teams. Docker ensures consistency across development, testing, and production environments, eliminating those works-on-my-machine issues. Containers are highly portable, meaning an application packaged in Docker can run seamlessly on any system that has Docker installed. Docker containers are lightweight and fast to start, making development and deployment cycles much more efficient than traditional virtual machines. With Docker, you can easily replicate and scale your applications. Need more instances? Just spin up more containers. So where is Docker most commonly used? Let's look at some key use cases. Docker is incredibly useful for creating consistent development and testing environments, ensuring everyone works with the same setup. It simplifies application deployment, making it easier to move applications from development to production with predictable results. Docker is ideal for microservices architectures, allowing you to package and deploy independent services separately. In conclusion, Docker is a game changer for software development and deployment. It provides consistency, portability, and efficiency, solving many common headaches developers face. If you're in software, learning Docker is no longer optional. It's a valuable skill that will make you more effective and versatile. Thanks for watching.